Minexa handles the entire extraction workflow automatically, from rendering JavaScript-heavy pages to pagination and structured data extraction at scale. Today, we'll scrape HR job listings easily and quickly. Open the page with your data. Minexa does not need templates or pre-built scrapers. It builds everything automatically from this single starting point. Launch Minexa. This panel handles everything needed to turn a page into structured data. Hit the button. Minexa maps out the page structure before extraction begins. This lets it detect the HR job listings automatically. Your scraper now goes beyond page 1. Minexa detected the navigation and will handle all pages automatically. Select whether you only need the fields shown on the list or the full data available on each item's own page. Continue works for most pages. Advanced mode is for interactive layouts where data only appears after the user does something first. The section Minexa highlighted is the main block holding your data. Confirming it ensures the same columns are extracted consistently across every future run. Your full data structure is ready. Select the fields you want, and this scraper will use them every time it runs. For HR listings, this includes job title, company, location, salary, and benefits. Click API Request to get the code that lets you scrape up to 50,000 URLs in one go, processed in parallel, automatically. Your setup is ready. Click Complete Configuration to save it and move to the next part. Your scraper does not stop at the first page. The full navigation flow is locked in and runs automatically. All set. Add a schedule here if you want Minexa to rerun this automatically. Then click to create your job. Click Run. Each run is stateless execution over a stable scraper configuration, not a retrained model. This dataset looks the same every time it runs. Same page, same result, making it something you can rely on inside automated pipelines or scheduled jobs that need consistent outputs. Extracted fields include job titles, companies, salaries, and benefits from Vietnamworks.com. Export your dataset in Excel or JSON. Columns and rows stay consistent, so the file is ready to use straight away. Every value comes directly from the page. No interpretation, no guessing, just structured data exactly as it exists on Vietnamworks.com.